Older homes have character, charm, and craftsmanship you simply can't replicate. From detailed trim work to solid wood frames, they offer a sense of history that many homeowners love. But when it comes to energy efficiency, older homes often fall short, especially if the windows haven't been updated. If you've noticed drafts, rising energy bills, or uneven indoor temperatures, McLean Window Replacement may be one of the most impactful upgrades you can make. Why older windows lose energy? Many older homes still have their original windows, which may be single-pane glass with aging wooden frames. While they may look beautiful, these windows were not built with modern insulation standards in mind. Common issues include air leaks and drafts from gaps in frames and worn seals, poor insulation due to single-pane glass condensation buildup that can lead to moisture damage, difficulty opening or closing, preventing proper ventilation. Even small gaps can allow significant heat transfer. In winter, warm indoor air escapes and cold air seeps in. In summer, hot outdoor air infiltrates your home, forcing your HVAC system to work harder to maintain comfortable temperatures. How McLean Window Replacement makes a difference. Replacing old windows with modern, energy-efficient models is one of the most effective ways to improve comfort and reduce energy loss. Today's windows are designed with advanced materials and technology that dramatically outperform older designs. Improved insulation with double or triple pane glass. Modern replacement windows typically feature double or triple panes of glass with insulating gas, such as argon, sealed between them. This layered construction creates a thermal barrier that slows heat transfer. For homeowners, this means more stable indoor temperatures, reduced reliance on heating and cooling systems, lower monthly energy bills. You'll feel the difference almost immediately, especially in rooms that were previously drafty or difficult to keep comfortable. Low-E coatings for better temperature control. Many energy-efficient windows include low-E, low emissivity coatings. These microscopic coatings reflect heat while still allowing natural light to enter your home. In colder months, low-E coatings help keep warmth inside. In warmer months, they reflect excess heat away. The result is year-round comfort without sacrificing brightness or views. Tighter seals and advanced frame materials. Older wood frames can warp, crack, or shrink over time, creating gaps where air can enter. Modern window frames, often made from vinyl, fiberglass, or composite materials, are engineered for durability and precision. With professional McLean Window Replacement, your new windows are custom-fitted to your home's openings. Proper installation ensures airtight seals that minimize drafts and eliminate hidden energy leaks. Reduced strain on HVAC systems. When your windows are inefficient, your heating and cooling system has to compensate. Over time, this can increase wear and tear on your HVAC equipment. Energy-efficient replacement windows help maintain consistent indoor temperatures, allowing your system to run more efficiently. This not only reduces energy consumption but may also extend the lifespan of your HVAC system. Comfort beyond energy savings. While lower utility bills are a major benefit, homeowners often notice additional improvements after window replacement. Less outside noise due to multi-pane glass, reduced condensation, which helps protect walls and windowsills, increased home value and improved curb appeal, better indoor air quality from fewer drafts and moisture issues. Older homes can sometimes feel chilly near windows in winter or overly warm in summer. Upgrading your windows creates a more comfortable living environment throughout the entire home, not just in the center of each room. A smart investment for long-term value. Window replacement is more than a cosmetic update. It's an investment in your home's performance. While older homes require thoughtful upgrades to preserve their character, modern windows are available in styles that complement traditional architecture while delivering contemporary energy efficiency. If you love your home's history but want modern comfort, McLean Window Replacement offers a practical solution. By addressing one of the biggest sources of energy loss, you can enjoy lower bills, improved comfort, and a more efficient home, all while maintaining the charm that made you fall in love with your home in the first place.